主第二條。
Okay. Yeah. So everyone, this is Long Neck Karen Village. We call
唔
Long
係啊，
Neck
揾
Karen
呢個公仔
people,
條
but we
最
have
主要大條突咗出嚟。
一男一女嘅都話。The people in this village. Yeah. The village here is not a big village. Around 55 people, including the kids, living together here. So now we will go inside together.
廣西嗰啲嘅。
係啊，佢話呢度唔係啲泰國人嚟㗎。
工藝品呢啲真係廣西喎，嗱包括嗰隻角嗰隻都係廣西嗰啲特有嘅喎。
佢呢度唔係泰國人嚟㗎，全部都唔係泰國人。
係咩人啊？
佢話唔知咩國家嗰啲人嚟。
貴州，
佢冇話中國嘅喎，佢係唔知咩國家嘅。
佢冇可能唔知嘅。有咩睇啊？
長頸女人，長頸族。
可唔可以影相？
可以。唔係導遊㗎啦，你自己睇㗎啦。Oh, heavy.
Yes.
And then after they decide to escape from Burmese to Thailand, the ring on the neck is useful.
係好緬甸嘅。
Useful for protect tiger. Second one, to look herself strange, crazy,
佢
stranger,
以前係
safe
因為
from
啲
military.
老虎咬頸啊，老虎咬條頸，咁樣咬唔到。
So that's why another family, they also
啲老虎一咬咧，衝埋嚟咬你條
to
頸
put
先。
the ring.
喺房嗰度
So
咧，
that's
啲
why
老虎咬
after
唔
they
入。
escape to Thailand, not just only the girl who was born on Wednesday
台
night, yeah,
泰國咯。
every girl,
就泰國。
since 2 or 3 years, have the ring into the neck until they keep stay between border of Thailand, Chiang Rai, and there for a few, let's say, 10 years in minimum. Over there, back to safe place again. Some of the girls can be go out to meet local people. Some of the children can meet more
我睇下
local
嗰個。
Thai friends. And later on, she got something in her mind. Why another people they got no ring?
啊，好重啊！
ring. So that's why she come back to us.
好重啊！好重啊！
絲巾喎，不過你唔知中唔中意。
好重啊！
哇，唔怪之啊！即係人哋叫做咩？有骨氣啊，有頸有。
啲老虎咬啊！
No more tiger. So
啲
that's
老虎
why
咬，
some
老虎
of
一
the
咬
girls
咬你條頸先啊！
can take the ring off, go to the school to work to get more knowledge.
哇！
你唔捉過，你都唔摸過，你唔知咁重啊，痛噶嘛！
圈嘅咩？
你圈咯，翹埋噶嘛。
其實應該係
初初嗰陣係幾圈咁。
係啊，
咦大咗，
大咗
咪又多
The heavy ring push down the shoulder. And this one string up the neck. You can be anything with me. More older, more long ring, more heavy, and more push down your shoulder. Them shoulder. So that's it become. That's why when we walk along here, when we see the smoker, they got short one, some.
係啊，冇泰國人身份。嗱就咁織。係啊。
This is imitation.
佢整緊呢啲。
呢幾錢
How much? This
is 200.
200 each.
210.
200一條。
210.
佢依家就自己整緊呢啲，淨係整佢整出嚟賣嘅。
佢呢啲起碼即係話自己乜嘢唔係攞貨翻嚟。
係啊，所以佢冇包裝。
整唔整得咁多？
佢嗰啲係咩咯？
佢面上畫嗰啲係咩嚟㗎？
應該係防曬，唔知咁有啲防曬
蚊蟲咬。
可能係啦。哇，買翻啲好喎。
嚇？
買翻啲好。What's on the face? The face?
Run and to keep you mom.
佢唔識聽。
After get the toy, run to let mom.
我話呢啲。
佢唔識聽啊！
講佢明啦，
佢走咗去，可能揾翻譯定係話咩？咩啊？
就唔係幾勁。
What's this? What is that? 喂！
佢唔係好識聽。
啊！
多啲多嘢。啲咩嚟㗎？
我問佢乜嘢嘛，咁佢話
搽面嗰啲啊，我覺得佢應該係防嗰啲蚊啊、咩咬嗰啲啊。
有冇得開嘅俾佢睇問啊？你哋中唔中？
有白斑。係啊，你入飛啊嘛，你俾咗飛啊嘛，都飛唔平嘅，300。
300蚊㗎。
300蚊就係喎，入飛如果你自己買嘅話。你自己織嘅喎呢啲，真係自己喺度織嘅喎，咪一樣㗎。本身個手工係唔係話好大分別嘅，因為佢唔係好多人買，大概咧咁啊得閒喺度織下，得閒織下。喂，好似
可能都係要嗰個鋪租啊。
哦，當然要鋪租啦，唔應該係佢住喺度嘅，喺度瞓㗎嘛。所以你買飛入嚟咧，佢已經咩？
呢個屬屬泰國境內。
泰國境內，但係佢哋冇泰國身份，係緬甸人嚟嘅，喺後邊沖涼咯。
哦。
喺後邊沖涼。喺呢度瞓覺。
One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay.
2万2千錢啊，有啲米。
啲地方蚊蟲。
係啊，因為佢哋唔係當地居民嚟嘅。
哦，所以佢查啱先嗰啲。
可能係啩？
唔係啊，你睇電視嗰啲非洲人嗰啲唔係咩嘅咩？
不過講緊啲手工都幾靚嘅。
嗯。
啊！呢啲就咩啦，若隱若現，真係若隱若現啊！若隱若現呢啲，兩層都見得好清楚，啲沙嚟嘅。
係啊，即係又當披肩，然後又當衫，
又性感，都唔係若隱若現啦，全現。
整翻件第一本簿。呢
度食飯㗎，煮飯應該都係食飯。廁所。
Winter flower, they go for the fruit, and such as they have some coffee inside.
Hey, girl. Hey.